So, you've just received your new bike and you're eager to take it for a spin. But first, you need to put it together. Don't worry, this detailed guide will walk you through the assembly process for any bike model, whether it's a chopper, mountain bike, or cruiser. Before you start, gather the following tools: a set of Allen wrenches, an adjustable wrench, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, a bike pump, optional grease for smoother assembly, a torque wrench if available, and a cleaning cloth. Step 1. Unbox and organize. Open the box and remove all parts. Lay them out on a flat surface and make sure you have all the components: frame, front wheel, handlebars, seat and seat post, pedals, reflectors, hardware pack, and any included accessories like a kickstand or bell. Inspect each part to ensure nothing was damaged during shipping. If anything looks off, contact customer service immediately. Step 2. Assemble the frame. First, attach the front wheel. Position the bike frame upright, ensuring it's stable. Insert the axle of the front wheel into the dropouts on the fork and secure it using the provided nuts and washers. Tighten the nuts with an adjustable wrench, making sure the wheel is centered and spins freely without wobbling. Next, install the handlebars. Remove the stem cap with an Allen wrench, position the handlebars into the stem, and reattach the stem cap and bolts. Tighten them evenly with an Allen wrench, ensuring the handlebars are aligned with the front wheel. Step 3. Install the seat. Apply a thin layer of grease to the seat post if desired. Then insert it into the seat tube on the frame. Adjust the seat height so your leg is almost fully extended when the pedal is at its lowest point. Tighten the seat clamp bolt with an Allen wrench. Mount the seat onto the seat post clamp and tighten the nuts underneath the seat. Adjust the angle of the seat to ensure it's level and comfortable. Step 4. Attach the pedals. Identify the left and right pedals marked with L and R. This is crucial as they screw in opposite directions. Apply a small amount of grease to the threads if desired. Insert the right pedal into the crank arm and turn it clockwise. Tighten with a wrench, ensuring it's firmly attached but not over-tightened. Repeat the process for the left pedal, turning it counterclockwise. Step 5. Attach the brake cable to the handlebars. Locate the brake caliper on the front wheel and loosen the bolt holding the brake cable. Thread the brake cable through the barrel adjuster on the brake lever and secure it. Tighten the bolt on the brake caliper to secure the cable and test the brake lever. Step 6. Install reflectors and accessories. Attach the front reflector to the handlebar and the rear reflector to the seat post or rear frame using the provided brackets and screws. Congratulations, you've successfully assembled your new bike. Now it's time to hit the road and enjoy the ride. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to contact our support team. Happy riding!